start that finally arrived.
Welcome to ISSCA.
ISSCA is the biggest in the world right now, with international, basically, training, education on regenerative medicine in general.
ISSCA Global Summit 2025, an amazing event with the innovative regenerative medicine and the best speakers ever. See you here.
Teaching each other years worth of data that we can essentially summarize in a matter of a day.
I think the atmosphere is great. There's no egos. Es un gusto tenerlo por aquí.
Para mí es un honor y un privilegio estar también presente en este maravilloso congreso.
We're in beautiful Cancún, Mexico, of course, at another conference by ISSCA that is probably the most comprehensive one that I've seen, by far.
Like, you have made everyone that's come here feel as a part of a family, and I don't see that anywhere else. So like, I gotta thank you so much.